Hi, Jason here with Intricate Coatings, another project. We have a 3-car and we are doing 1/8" Dolphin Flake. Today we have a little different prep work that needs done before this epoxy starts. The client let me know that the seams of the garage seem to be raised a little and water pools in the middle. So what we want to do is remove the height here in the middle where the seams are. And today we are using a 7" grinder. And if anybody's used one of these carts before, it saves your back. It's a lifesaver. Let me know if you need any assistance finding this. This is my favorite tool in the trailer. All grinding complete on the joint lines to make it nice and smooth for the client. High gloss. Another job complete. Intricate Coatings. So today we have a little special oops. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.